What's up, y'all? So I picked up this collapsible baby bathtub from Amazon because, bath time just started to feel a bit stressful, right? Plus trying to judge water temp and keep everything safe was always on my mind. This is a collapsible tub that folds down so it doesn't take up half the bathroom, right? And it actually comes with a built-in thermometer, a hooded towel, and a soft floating cushion for like support. Now, what I noticed when I started using it is that checking the water temperature became way easier. I didn't have to guess or worry if it was too hot or too cold. Having that cushion in there made the baby feel more secure too. And the whole routine just feels more relaxed because, I'm not sweating over every little detail. Now, I want to be clear. I'm not saying that everybody is going to have the same experience or making any claims about the results for anybody else. This is just how it's helped me feel more confident, right, with bath time. It's become one of those practical tools that just, takes a little stress out of everyday life, especially with having a newborn baby. So highly recommend, guys. Peace.